Hey, I've had the opportunity to speak with a lot of customers, a lot of companies in different industries, different segments, different sizes, different regions, and also people there who represent technology, business, sales, marketing, customer success, support services. And across the board, what I have learned is that there are two visions of artificial intelligence that are evolving. So one is the idea that your organization will have one unified AI that will be all end all for your enterprise, right? So whether you have an OpenAI or something that's tightly integrated with a product, for example, Einstein GPT and other products like that, right? So those products come from one vendor. It's one AI model that is trained on a CRM system, on, data cloud, some other larger entity from that vendor. That's one model. It's a great model. It'll work. And for a lot of customers, that's a really compelling equation. Then there's this other vision, which is very much like how web services and APIs have evolved. And that vision is that ultimately you would have more than one artificial intelligence in the enterprise. You will have AIs that are specific, focused, and trained. Effectively, the rise of verticalized AI. So there may be something that are unique to an industry. For example, Bloomberg is doing BloombergGPT and it's trained on some 2 billion anonymized records for financial services, right? Incredible depth in that industry. Similarly, Epic Systems, which is an electronic health record company, is doing a collaboration with the Microsoft Azure on OpenAI. And I think they're coming out with their own model. And then there are all these other vendors that may still be horizontal, but they are sort of unique players in the AI space. So of course, we all know about OpenAI, that there is Cohere, there is Cloud, CLAUE by Anthropic, and there are other solutions that are going to come like that. So the second vision is that enterprises will take a bunch of these AIs and they will weave them together. So they may still have an Einstein GPT and other such vendor product-oriented, product-trained AI that cover a lot of their space, right? You have spent a lot on Salesforce, excellent platform, buying Einstein GPT, and it does a significant number of use cases. But now you want something that is very unique to your industry, fraud detection for e-commerce, right? Or figuring out the highest yield for professional services, or figuring out a better model for healthcare claim processing, right? Or health insurance related claim processing. So a lot of these kind of unique scenarios may require verticalized AI. And so your ecosystem may have one unified product vendor that covers a large footprint, and then a lot of these others that you're weaving in. And that's the other vision. I personally think that a lot of people may start with the first one, where they bring in an Einstein GPT or something, or larger enterprises may start with the other one. There, they may go, well, we have a tie-up with AWS, Azure, GCP, Google Cloud, or we are doing something in alliance with OpenAI, Cohere, whatever, right? Some vendor. But everybody starts with one AI and they kind of address the teething problem, whether it's security, privacy, integration, usability, all of those things. And once they've addressed that, once they've proved business value, then they add more and more AI to really focus on better user experience, on improvising their internal processes, on reducing cost, on improving effectiveness, things like that. And so I see that you may start with the, one AI to rule them all, or the rise of verticalized AI. And then eventually you go from there. At some point, one of these or either one of these models will evolve into a multitude of AIs that you have.